In the dynamic world of modern entrepreneurship, starting a successful side hustle has become more accessible than ever before. Today, we unveil the secrets behind harnessing artificial intelligence to supercharge your side hustle journey and achieve extraordinary success. To begin our exploration, let's understand the transformative power of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a present-day revolution reshaping various industries. From customer service chatbots to advanced data analytics, AI is woven into the fabric of our daily lives. The key to a successful side hustle lies in leveraging these AI-driven technologies to gain an edge over the competition. At the heart of AI-powered success is automation. AI-driven tools can handle repetitive tasks, such as scheduling social media posts or managing email marketing, allowing you to focus on creative and strategic aspects of your business. Platforms like ChatGPT can assist in creating engaging content, freeing up valuable time to focus on growth and innovation. By automating mundane tasks, you boost productivity, allowing your hustle to operate efficiently alongside your primary commitments. Moreover, AI can provide invaluable insights through data analysis. Understanding your audience is critical, and AI tools can analyze customer behavior patterns, preferences, and trends with precision far beyond human capability. This data-driven approach empowers informed decision-making, enabling you to tailor your offerings and marketing strategies to meet the demands and desires of your target market. Personalization, another remarkable advantage, enhances customer interaction. AI can help create personalized experiences through tailored recommendations and individualized customer service, fostering a strong, loyal client base. Easy to integrate AI solutions are available, enabling even novice entrepreneurs to offer a customized customer journey, dramatically increasing satisfaction and repeat business. Now, while the opportunities are immense, it's crucial to remain adaptable. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, offering newer, more advanced solutions regularly. Staying updated with these advancements and being open to integrating new technologies into your side hustle can turn potential challenges into opportunities for expansion and increased efficiency. In conclusion, the secrets to AI-powered side hustle success lie in the strategic application of automation, data analytics, and personalization. By embracing these technologies, you can streamline operations, gain meaningful insights, and cultivate a unique brand experience. The future of entrepreneurship is intricately linked with artificial intelligence, making it an indispensable ally in achieving success beyond the ordinary. Now, equipped with these secrets, you are poised to take the side hustle world by storm, unlocking new avenues of achievement and prosperity.